Hello everyone, I am RS Roy here. So today I brought the topic trigonometry from class 10th. So we will study about some important terms and concept related to trigonometry. First term is the trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of relationships between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. What is trigonometric ratio? It is the ratio of the sides of right angle triangle are called trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric identities. It is verified relation or an equation involving trigonometric ratios are known as trigonometric identities. It is true for every value of angle. Now, in this triangle, angle ABC is a right angle triangle. It is right angled at B, and now we can see sin A is a ratio. It is a trigonometric ratio, one of the trigonometric ratio out of 6, in which sin A is the ratio of side opposite to angle A, that is BC, upon hypotenuse. In terms of sides, hypotenuse is AC. So we have the ratio of sides BC upon AC, that is sin A. Second is cosine, that is cos. Cos A is what? It is a side adjacent to angle A divided by hypotenuse. That means AB, because AB is very much adjacent to angle A, and divided by hypotenuse, or we can write AC. Next is the third ratio, tangent. That means tan theta, that is tan A. Tan is what? It is side opposite to angle A, that is BC, and that is BC divided by side adjacent to angle A, that is AB. In the same triangle, in ABC, we have to learn about the fourth ratio, that is the cosec. Cosec A is what? It is the hypotenuse divided by, when hypotenuse, that means AC is divided by side opposite to angle A. What is the side opposite to angle A? That is BC. What is secant? What is, in short, we say sec A. What is secant A, or means sec A? It is the hypotenuse. When the hypotenuse, that is AC, is divided by side adjacent to angle A, that is AB. And what is cot theta? So cot A is side adjacent to angle A, that is AB, divided by side opposite to angle A, this is BC. So we have to learn all these 6 ratios very well for doing rest of the properties, identities, or formulas or numericals based on trigonometry. So in the next session, we will study about how to apply these ratios in finding the solution for trigonometric based questions. Thank you.